Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can disable offline activity in Facebook app. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Write comments at the end of the video and also make sure to put your likes. So let us get started with you. Open the Facebook app on your phone and then you go to the menu section in the bottom right corner. Next, in the top right corner, tap on the gear to go to Facebook settings. Now open the Meta Account Center. Next, scroll down a bit and select your information and permission. Here, select your activity off and Meta Technology. And next you'll need to pay attention to this section. So, you'll need to go to the first item first. This is Turn Off Special Activity. At this step, if you have two-factor authentication, you'll most likely be asked to enter your Facebook password. Once you enter it, you will just need to select the items from which you would like to disable Facebook and other app activity. Next, you will need to go to the next option, Clear Activity. Next, click on Clear and confirm your actions. Now, you'll need to go back and go to the third option. And here you will need to select Disable Activity, so that in the future, you will not be tracked by your offline activity on Facebook. And when you're done, you can log out of Facebook. Friends, this is how you can disable your offline activity in Facebook app. I hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please give your likes, comments, and see you soon.